Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video we're going to show you how you can draw an arrowed line or a line with these arrows at start and end points on LibreOffice Draw. So let us dive into this. So guys, if you navigate to your drawing page here, for example, let me go with this one, you'll be given access to these drawing tools to the left. So if you add a standard line by clicking into insert line here and click into your page, there will be a line like this, or you can left click to set the start point, hold your left mouse, drag it and release it to set the end point. You will see that there are no real endpoints with arrows. So there are two ways how you can do this, guys. You either navigate to the line's properties by selecting the select tool, clicking into the line and assign arrows as start and end points. To do that, open up the sidebar to the right, and here on the right hand side, guys, you may, for example, click into a line here and navigate to the arrow styles. Or if you don't like that idea, guys, you can create an arrow line from the start. So to do that, navigate to the drawing tools to the left and select these arrowed lines here. A line with one arrow, a line with an arrow and a circle, or a line with two arrows, and yeah, draw your line like this, and that's it. Now you can of course right click into the given object or shape, select edit style, and then be redirected to that menu, and here customize your line even further. For example, the arrow style here, the start style, the end style. Apply it by clicking into OK, and you will see the result here for these lines. But it is going to apply the given style to basically all lines. As you can see now, they all feature arrows. So you can pick one of these methods, guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got some real value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.